Concise RDWorks Learning Lab with Russ Sadler. Session 22, Essential Graphics.
Now today we're not going to go anywhere near the machine because the next 3 sessions that we're going to be tackling are all about graphics. I'm going to make the assumption that some of you guys will not know anything about graphics at all. So I'm going to start from square one and I'm going to take you through the basics of graphics in the same way that I'm not a physicist, I'm not a chemist, I'm equally unqualified to tell you much about graphic art, but I've had to understand enough about graphics to make sure that I'm moderately competent to get the best out of the laser machine itself. In the last session we did some drawing work and that was using something called vector graphics. Now without going too deeply into it, vector graphics is all based on mathematics. This picture on the screen here is not vector graphics, it's something called a bitmap. Now a bitmap is entirely different in its concept to vector graphics. I'm just going to add a grid. Now that grid is not really what's happening on the screen, but it enables me to explain roughly what a bitmap is.